Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop's PowerPoint harmonization filter to seamlessly blend the colors of one image into another. This image tool makes it super easy to make two images look like they are part of the same sense. Let's get started. First, open the image where you want to place your subject for color blending. Next, open the second image and extract your subject using the Object Selection tool. Copy your subject, paste it onto the main image and adjust its size. Go to Filters, Neural Filters, and turn on the Harmonization Filter. In the Reference Image drop-down menu, select the main layer, likely named Background, and watch the magic happen. There are plenty of adjustment options available. You can tweak them as needed. In this example, I added a touch more green to the lion to blend it seamlessly. You can clearly see the difference and how beautifully the harmonization filter worked. It's magic. I have another example for you. Just extract the dog image, paste it onto the bird image, and adjust the dog's size. Next, go to Filters, Neural Filters, turn on the Harmonization Filter and select the background layer from the drop-down menu. As you can see, the dog's image had a darker exposure. The Harmonization Filter not only fixes the dark tones, but also adjusts its colors to blend seamlessly with the rest of the picture. Let's try another example. In this beautiful scene, we will blend the girl into the environment. The procedure is the same. Extract the girl, copy and paste her into the scene. Adjust her size. Then go to Filters, Neural Filters. Turn on the Harmonization Filter, then select the background from the drop-down menu, and voila, we are all set.